In 2024, the realm of identity and access management, or IAM, has become increasingly critical for organizations looking to secure their digital assets. With cyber threats on the rise, effective IAM solutions are essential for ensuring that the right individuals have access to the right resources at the right times. Two leading players in this space are Okta and Keycloak, each offering unique features tailored to different organizational needs. So, in this video, we will explore both platforms in detail, highlighting their key features, benefits, and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. So, first, let's talk about Okta. Okta is a cloud based identity and access management platform designed to simplify user authentication and enhance security for enterprises. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for single sign on or SSO and multiple multi-factor authentication or MFA and lifecycle management, making it a go-to solution for businesses of all sizes. With a focus on user experience, Okta enables seamless access across a variety of applications and devices, ensuring that users can work efficiently while maintaining robust security. So the key features of Okta is its single sign-on. So Okta's SSO feature allows users to log in once and gain access to multiple applications without needing to re-enter credentials. This streamlines the user experience and reduces the likelihood of password fatigue. Another key feature is its adaptive multi-factor authentication. So Okta offers adaptive MFA that adjusts authentication requirements based on the user's context, such as location, device, and behavior. This provides an additional layer of security tailored to specific risks. So the benefits of Okta is its scalability. Okta is designed to scale with your organization, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Another benefit is its user-friendly interface. So the platform's intuitive design enhances user adoption and reduces the need for extensive training. Now let's move on to Keycloak. So Keycloak, on the other hand, is an open source identity and access management solution that offers robust authentication and authorization features. It is particularly favored by developers and organizations looking for a customizable IAM solution. Keycloak supports a wide range of protocols, including OAuth 2, OpenID Connect, and SAML, allowing for flexible integration with various applications. So, for the key features of Keycloak, first is its identity brokering. Keycloak allows users to authenticate using their existing social media or corporate identities. So this feature simplifies user registration and enhances user experience. Another key feature is its fine-grained authorization. Keycloak offers advanced authorization features that enable organizations to define and enforce complex access control policies based on user roles, attributes, and environmental conditions. So the benefits of using Keycloak is its customizability. As an open source solution, Keycloak provides developers with the flexibility to customize and extend its functionalities according to their specific needs. Another benefit is its cost effective. Being open source, Keycloak can be a more economical option for organizations that may not have the budget for commercial IAM solutions. So for a more detailed comparison, so in user experience, Okta emphasizes ease of use and integration, allowing organizations to implement IAM without significant technical overhead. Its user-friendly dashboard and SSO capabilities lead to a smooth user experience. So for Keycloak, while it offers powerful features, Keycloak may require more technical expertise to set up and customize. Its open source nature allows for flexibility, but it may necessitate a steeper learning curve for users unfamiliar with IAM systems. So regarding integration capabilities, Okta integrates seamlessly with thousands of applications out of the box, including popular SaaS tools like Salesforce, Office 365, and Google Workspace. This extensive integration library simplifies deployment and enhances productivity. So on the other hand, Keycloak supports integration with a wide variety of applications, but may require more manual configuration compared to Okta. Its support for standard protocols enable it to work with many systems, but custom integrations may require additional development effort. For security features, Okta provides robust security features such as adaptive MFA, risk-based authentication, and security analytics, allowing organizations to monitor and respond to potential threats effectively. While Keycloak, on the other hand, offers comprehensive security capabilities, including social login, two-factor authentication, and detailed user permissions. However, the implementation of these features may require more technical configuration. So, as for cost considerations, Okta as a commercial product, Okta comes with a subscription based pricing model that varies based on the number of users and the features required. While it may be pricier, its comprehensive support and ease of use can justify the investment for many organizations. So Keycloak, on the other hand, being an open source solution, Keycloak is free to use, which can be appealing for startups and smaller companies. However, organizations may need to invest in development resources to customize and maintain the platform. So, in conclusion, choosing between Okta and Keycloak largely depends on your organization's specific needs, resources, and technical capabilities. Okta is an excellent choice for businesses looking for a user friendly, scalable solution with extensive integration options and robust support. In contrast, Keycloak is better suited for organizations with these technical expertise to customize their IAM solutions. So whether you choose Okta or Keycloak, both platforms offer powerful tools to manage identity and access effectively, enhancing security and improving user experience across your organization. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.